Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, to Joyceful Bird. Yes, so today I'm gonna show you guys how I fix my hair. So as you can see right now, my hair is really long, long and frizzy, and oh my god, it's very thick. So normally I don't go out like this because I feel so embarrassed to go out like this. I don't know why, but look at it. It's so thick and it's wavy. Like, you know, it looks like curly, but it's I just not comfortable going out like this. When I go to work, I normally do I braid my hair to this side like this. Yeah, like that. Or I do a bun like a donut all the way like this. Yeah, so this is my natural hair. Yes, do you like it, guys? I like it when I'm here at home, but going out, no. So it look like manananggal, besh. Oh my god, I look like a witch. Let me just tell you about this comb. This comb came from Philippines all the way here. And this one, I got this for my birthday. My fiance gave me this. Yes, and I love this. This one is really helped a lot because before I got the regular one, it's not thick right like this. Before, oh my god, it take me like forever. I'm not serious. I'm serious. You know, it take me forever to use it. But this one, very quick. So let's get started. I already turned on this thing and it's up to 380. So this one is really hot. So very careful. And when it's ready, I put it down a little bit to 340. I don't want my hair to get, you know, toasted. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna do like this. So I'm using, look at this one. This one I'm using. So this is Flat Iron Perfector. So this is a straightening mist. Miss Philippines. Wow. Yeah, so I always use this one. This one will help your hair because, you know, it's really hot, so it protects the heat. So this hair, it's very thick. So look at this. It's really long, right? So I'm just gonna put all over. Yes. Oh my god, not in my face. Not on my face, girl. Okay, guys. So it looks good already. And we're just gonna do is. So I did not brush my hair since after I shower. So this morning I got home from work. I just washed my hair and everything like that. And I did not blow dry my hair. I just let it dry so that why it turned to like this. So if I blow dry my hair, this is gonna be like, it's gonna be like, oh my god. So that's good I did not do that. And now I will brush my hair now, just like this. Okay. So I just separate them. I put two in this side. And now separate again to this side like this. And I'll go ahead and put this up to this side. And I have a clip to hold my hair. Okay. My mom don't have this. My dad don't have this. I think I'm only the one have ugly hair. Wow, ugly hair. I didn't say, you know, like really bad hair, but it's just like weird because my other sister, they got a nice straight hair. You know what I mean? And I'm only the one don't have it. Yeah, so let me tell you some story, guys. So when I was growing up, I think when I was first year high school, me and my sister, like, you know, playing around. And then we have this iron. We have this iron that we use to iron our clothes. So my sister just straightened my hair using the iron. Can you imagine that? And then I'm so like, oh my god, this is so nice. This is so beautiful. Maybe that's why my hairs look like this. It's very careful because it's really hot. Very hot. You don't want to burn yourself or your hair. Sometimes it takes me a while to do this because I take time. I take my time because I'm not going to Russia. Wow. Russia, stop rushing. So as you can see, guys, I got a lot of hair. A lot of hair. So it's probably gonna take a while, and then we're just gonna I'm just gonna fast forward this and until I move on to the other side. Okay, so look how beautiful is this. It's so nice when your hair it's like ooh. Okay, so I'm ready to move to the other layer. Let's do this. I'll go ahead and spray one more time. Diba? Okay. On the back, I just like grab some in here and bring it to the front and just do like this. Yeah, and so it looks so good now and feels so good. It's hot, but you know, you can deal with it. Yeah, so look at this. Very nice, very smooth and shiny. Wow. So let's move to the other side. Oh, look at the difference. So here's the straightening, there's the straight, and here's my regular hair. So which one is the one you want? Let's continue to the next side. So I'm just gonna do the same way that I did earlier. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. In this side, it's not that really thick because I cut my hair all the way here, so this side is more thicker than the other one. So probably this one is gonna be more quicker and quicker and quicker, diba? Oh my god, look at the big transformation. Transform! Wow! Okay guys, so I'm finished using the straightener. So I'm just gonna put this fabulous serum oil. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little amount on my hand to give a little extra shiny. Wow, a little shiny. Yes, like this. Don't put too much because you don't wanna look your hair like it's ready to fry it. Wow. Yeah, just do it like that. Especially the end of your hair. Okay guys, so normally Filipina always have a long black hair. Always have a long black hair, yes. So I'm thinking to cut my hair. But my fiance don't like me to cut my hair. Just maybe it'll be nice if I have like maybe short hair down here. Okay guys, so please comment below if I should cut my hair. If I should cut my hair, yeah, let me know. Okay guys, so thank you for watching how I straighten my hair and what product I use for my hair. If you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want to follow me in Instagram, it's down below the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Love you all. Mwah.